Hey everyone, it's Nicole again. So I'm here to teach another routine. So like before, grab snacks, grab water, whatever you need. This routine can be done sitting down or standing up. So yeah, let's get started. The song is Reaper by Sia. It's one of my personal favorites. And so the first move, you're gonna point down, so it's right first, left, and then with your left shoulder first, you're gonna go back, back. So again, that's right, down, left, down, back, back. And then you're gonna push forward. Both your arms are kind of like goalposts. Push forward, and then you're gonna push all the way through. And we'll do that again. So point, point, left, right, push through. So let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, point, point, left, right, push through. And then from here, you're kind of doing the same thing with how you were pointing, but you're gonna put, like, this is exaggerated. You're gonna push down with fists and then down. And the timing, not tricky, but I can't exactly tell you without playing music, so we'll get there. But again, it's point, point, left, right, push through, and on that you're stepping through on your right foot, and then down, down, and then you're bringing your whole body down on a beat and you're stepping closed. So again, this kind of looks like push through, right, left, and down. So you're pushing down with your whole body, but your arms are pushing up to your shoulders, and you're bringing your foot in, and then you're stepping down. So let's just do that whole thing again. 5, 6, 7, 8, point, point, left, right, push through, down, down, here, up. And so from here, you're just gonna go with your right arm, and this is a little fast, but right arm, left arm, right arm. So you're just waving up, and it gets a little bit higher each time. So start lower, medium, high. And how you wave is just kind of shoulder, elbow, wrist, up. So again, shoulder, elbow, wrist, up. Okay, and so let's do this again. We're here, push through, right, left, down, up, right, wave, left, wave, right, wave. And then the next move is you're just gonna cover your eyes like this. Cover your eyes, your palm is facing out while you're doing this motion. Kind of like a dolphin. All right, so let's do this one more time. And it's point, point, left, right, push through, right, left, down, up, right, left, right, and cover. So again, this part's a little fast, but this part you can take your time with, and you'll find that in this routine you can kind of take a little bit more time on certain parts, and then certain parts are a little bit faster.